probably wondering what we're doing. But what we do is we restore. Here, we've stripped these architraves back and they're going to be stained. They were painted before. I'll come over here and I'll show you what Nancy's doing. Look. Hey Nance.
Hello.
There she is. Look what Nancy's doing. There you go. She's stripping the paint off. See that? We're taking them back to wood. And I'm working just around here. Is where we're restoring the doors. There's my little work area. Just there. And at the end, they're being stripped and cleaned nicely from that to that. And Nancy's taking care of all these frames. Just there. Okay. So we'll leave you. Yes. And in the future, we've got more to say. See you all soon.